Welcome to 5 tips for new agtubers so that they can grow. My first tip is be kind. If you're on people's channels and regularly being kind, they're going to want to go check people out. If people are kind on my channel, I go check them out. But if people are rude, it makes me like, oh, am I subscribed to them? Well, I kind of want to unsubscribe. I don't really unsubscribe from people because it can hurt their feelings. Just be kind. Tip number 2 is get your name out there. Enter photo contests. Try out for the Sophie Awards. Ask for shoutouts and people say, hey, he wants a shoutout. Because the hardest thing for a small YouTuber to do is get their name out there. Because if people know you're out there, then they go type you in, try to find you, subscribe. But if nobody knows who you are and you're just sitting there, then nobody knows who you are. The first thing is, subscribe to other small AgTubers and be part of the AgTube community. You can be an AgTuber and not be part of the community, but if you go comment stuff on MixPixie7's videos, follow people on Instagram if you have that, not MixPixie7 forever always, then it just makes you seem more hospitable. People want to subscribe to you and be part of whatever you're doing, because if you sound nice, people want to be with nice people. My fourth tip is do photo contests and award shows and giveaways, because people like winning things, and people especially things that require people to subscribe. That definitely makes your channel grow. My fourth tip is use rappy tags for tag benefits, because I use it all the time for my keywords, even if you just sit there for a long time and type in 500 keywords, but you need to do keywords on all your videos. Like, I'm going to do it for this tip and get YouTube tips, and that way when people type stuff in, they see my videos. And it also helps, this is my fifth tip, if you get a good quality camera, or at least make good quality thumbnails. Don't really use clickbait, because people won't come back to channels they know use clickbait. But if you have a good quality thumbnail, or your video looks good, when it pops up on someone's home screen, they're going to click on it. Okay, so I'm going to wrap this up. Keep me all in mind of Luciana's cute little shirt. I just finished making it today. So yeah, comment below if you like it or not, because it's okay if you don't like it. Maybe I have a baby onesie. Just let me know if you think I should do a video on how to make a shirt out of a baby onesie, or if that wouldn't be very good for some people. But yeah, gonna wrap this up. Bye everyone. Come back tomorrow for my next day.